Hi everybody, welcome to Kay's Favorite Things. Today I'm going to make something really quick and easy. I'm going to make some deer sausage balls. I found some deer meat in the bottom of my freezer and I thought I would use it up. Today's kind of a rainy, cool day and I'm going to make some soup probably later. It would go good with those, and then you just stick them in the fridge. Get them out in the morning, warm up one or two for breakfast, or take them with you for lunch. They're really good and they're simple and quick, and we'll see how this is done in just a minute. Okay everybody, we're back. I hope you can see this okay, but I've got a pound of deer sausage and I thought I would use that today. It's so easy and simple, and let me get my scissors here. We're going to put that in first. Just dump that in. Well, I thought it would come out easier than that, but we'll get it out. Okay. And you kind of break that up just a little bit. Add your cheese. I've got it's about 8 to 10 ounces of cheese. And you can add different kinds of cheese. This is just plain old cheddar cheese. I like sharp cheddar, but this is all I had. It's mild cheddar. 2 cups of Bisquick. And I'm going to add a few of these dehydrated jalapenos. Can you see those? I'm going to add some of those. And I'm going to add some of my chives that I grew. They're just like little onions. I like to add quite a few of those. Give it a little bit of flavor. And then you just mix all this up, okay? You just mix it really good. It's better to do it with your hands. When it comes to mixing meat, sometimes I wear gloves, sometimes I don't. So I may give some of these away, so I'm definitely going to wear gloves today. So we'll come back in a minute after I get all of this mixed up. This is how it looks right now. So we'll be back in just a minute. Okay everybody, I'm back. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes to this too. And I'm going to mix that in. And we'll be back in a second. Okay folks, I've got this mixed up. And I ended up adding about 2 tablespoons of milk to it because it was so dry. Deer sausage is pretty lean, so I don't want this to be crumbly. I want it to stick together like this. So see, it's all mixed in. If you haven't got it all mixed in, press the bottom, push it a few times, and get it all mixed in there. Pat it in there. So we're going to scoop these up and we're going to put them on the tray now. Super easy the way that I do them. I guess you call this an ice cream scoop. Let me get this stuff out of the way so you can see. And I just scoop it like this. And you want them all to be about the same size. So there you go. There's one. But that's how easy this is. 2. And I kind of push them up together like that. 3, and if some comes apart, just grab it like that. And I'm going to keep going with this, and we're going to put them up in the oven in just a minute, and we'll be back. Okay everyone, I got 29 sausage balls. You could probably double those, and these are pretty big ones, but you can make them smaller if you like. So I'm going to get these cooking. I've got the oven heated up at 350 degrees, and I'll come back when they get finished and I'll tell you how long it took to cook them. Hi everybody, we're back, and I've got these finished. They turned out really good. Let me show you. Get a kind of a close-up over there. They kind of look like cookies, but they're not cookies. But you want these to be a little bit brown on top and a little bit brown on the bottom. So that one's not too good to show you. This one's a little bit better. You see that? So these baked for 30 minutes. Everybody's oven is a little bit different, so you kind of know your own oven. Mine, I have to cook a little bit longer in it. If the recipe says 20 minutes, usually it's 30 minutes. So they're really good. Let me break one of these apart. They're still just a little bit warm, so you can kind of see the inside. They're moist and they're cheesy and they're really good. So try this recipe. Tell me what you think. And you can add whatever you want to. Now, if you have children, you may not want to add the red pepper flakes and the jalapenos, but it's really not that hot with those added in. It just depends on how much you put in there. So try them, tell me what you think, and leave me a comment. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.